Routine maintenance will keep your air conditioner, heating, and generator systems running smoothly and at peak efficiency. At Mayeux Air Conditioning and Heating LLC, our manufacturer-trained technicians are EPA and HVAC certified to ensure that you receive the most advanced and reliable maintenance possible. Our maintenance services can help fix minor issues before they become major, optimize energy efficiency, increase equipment lifespan, and decrease your energy bill. Call us today for more information.